Hi, this is Junaid Masood and I'm working in JMG Ecommerce from last 34 months, and we do have a team of experts who do our expertise in product hunting, product sourcing and A+ content. I do personally supervise, by the way, the brand registry cases and moreover the PPC launches. What we do in PPC launches, obviously you need a proper strategy to work upon them, so you can just optimize your campaign, and on the same note you can just bring down the cost or the cost lower and improve the efficiency of a sale. So we do everything which is in our capacity, and moreover we have unique work to just improve your sale of Amazon as well, like SEO and the influencer marketing. When you will take our package for the PPC campaign, so we'll do on your behalf the SEO and of Amazon targeting as well. So let me tell you, we have a success rate of 74% right now. So it depends upon the market and the product as well. So obviously you are right on the right track to approach us. Please don't hesitate to approach us, and definitely we will just work on your case and make your product profitable. Have a good day. Take care. Bye.